Hello, you all enthusiastic learners. Welcome back to Mind Map, where you map out your mind. Let's continue our learning journey by learning another topic for the day, that is Introduction to Algebra. So, what's algebra? Algebra is a part of mathematics which deals with English letters like X, Y, Z. What are these letters called in algebra? They are called as variables. But what is the use of English letters in mathematics? So let's explain. Let me take an example of addition. So I'll take two numbers, 3 plus, but the second number will be unknown, which gives me the answer 5. So 3 plus some number is equal to 5. Before filling the number, let me take the same expression again. I'll write 3 plus dash is equal to 5. Now in the place of an unknown number, I'm going to write x. So in simple, x refers to the value of unknown, and the value of unknown is here 2. Therefore, variables is a set of letters in English which is used to represent the unknown values or unknown numbers. Let's head to the next topic. So I'll take the same example, 3 plus x is equal to 5. So we already come across x. So what about these two numbers, 3 and 5? What are they called as? They are called as constants. Constants refers to a fixed number in any equation. So the algebra has two main important terms, that is variable and constant. Variables are the value of unknown and constant meaning the fixed term or number which is there in the equation. So together the variable and the constant refers as algebraic expression. So let's move to the next topic. If suppose till now I've taken the example of only one unknown number, what if there are two or more unknown numbers? So what do you write? So first I'll fill the unknown number with x, next I'll fill the number with y. So together they can be read as 2 plus x plus 4 plus y is equal to 10. Let me take the example of three unknown numbers. 2 plus dash plus 4 plus dash is equal to 12. So I'll fill the first unknown with x, next unknown with y, next unknown with z. So it is read as 2 plus x plus 4 plus y plus z is equal to 12. Next, we'll move to the next topic. The main topic in the algebra refers to terms here. What are terms? Terms are referred as numbers which are separated by operational symbols. Example here is 4 plus 3. Now you can see 4 and 3 are separated by a plus symbol. So here 4 and 3 are referred as terms. So how many terms are there? There are two terms, meaning 4 and 3 makes two terms. So we are discussing algebra here. Let me consider with example of variables. So here we have 4x plus 3x. So 4x and 3x makes two terms. Similarly, you have 4x plus 3y plus 4z, and it gives you three terms. Next, in terms, you have two types. One is like term, another is unlike term. So what's like term? Like term, in a like term, you have variables all same. Whereas in unlike terms, you have the variables different. So let's discuss with an example of two terms. Let me consider the example of 5x plus 4x. You can see both the terms having the same variable. Next, you have 5x plus 4y. You can see both the terms having different variable, making it unlike. Next, we'll take the example of three terms, 6x plus 5x plus 7x. You have all the three terms with same variables. Next, 6x plus 5y plus 7z, making all the variables different. Next is the topic of adding the algebras. So in addition of algebra, you have to keep one thing noted, that you can add only like terms. Adding like terms only. So let me take the example of 2x plus 3x. So in simple, you just have to add the numbers here. That is 2 plus 3 makes you 5, and then you have to write the algebra. That is variable. Next, I'll take the example of 4x plus 6x. So 4 plus 6 gives me 10, and then I'll write the letter x. Make sure you write the variable right after the number. That is very important. Next topic is subtracting the algebra. Similar to adding, you're going to subtract here also, and the point remains the same, that you're going to subtract only like terms. You can't subtract unlike terms. So first example will be 6x minus 4x. So 6 minus 4 gives me 2, and I'll write the variable x after that. Next, I have the example of 10x minus 5x. So 10 minus 5 gives me how much? 5. And then I'll write the letter x after that. So next we'll move to the multiplication of algebra. You have two ways of multiplying, like and unlike terms. So let's discuss the first one, multiplying like terms. So how do you multiply like terms? So you have x and x which are same terms. So x into x gives you x to the power of 2. You can also call it as x square. Next I'll take the number with that, 2x into 3x. So first you're going to multiply the numbers, that is 2 and 3. 2 3s gives you 6, and x into x gives you x square. So together you write 6x square. Next, multiplying unlike terms. So I'll take x and y which are unlike terms. So together they give you xy. Next, I'll consider the number with that, 2x into 3y, which gives me 2 into 3 is 6, and x into y is 6xy. Next, I'll move to the topic of division of algebra. So here, similarly, you have two kinds of division, that is dividing with like terms and unlike terms. So dividing with like terms, how do you divide? So x divided by x, which the answer is 1. It's not necessary like it's only x. It can be with y divided by y also gives you 1. Z divided by z gives you 1. So next we'll consider the number 9x divided by 3x. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and x divided by x is 1. So answer will be 3. Dividing with unlike terms. So you have x divided by y. Here you should make a note that x divided by x gives you x divided by x itself. The question and the answer will be same. So here 9x divided by 3y you have. So 9 by 3 is 3, and x divided by y is x divided by y itself.